I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Git and VS Code. Now begin. Open the project folder and verify your current branch in the lower left. Click the source control icon to see unstaged changes. You can stage individual files or all at once. Once staged, write a concise commit message in the message box and press the checkmark to commit. Make sure to save files beforehand and double-check that your commit message explains the why, not just the what. Once done committing locally, pull the latest remote changes so you don't overwrite others. Use the three-dot menu or the status bar pull action. If conflicts appear, open conflicting files and use VS codes, accept current/incoming or manual edits to reconcile. After resolving, stage the fixes and commit the merge. Finally, push your commits to origin using the push button or terminal git push origin your branch. This ensures the remote repository reflects you're nearly done. Confirm your changes on GitHub. Or create a pull request if required. If the push is rejected, fetch and then rebase or merge the remote branch into yours. Resolve any conflicts, then push. Make sure your local branch tracks the correct remote branch to avoid mismatches. If anything goes wrong, open the output or terminal panels to read Git errors. They tell you whether permissions, hooks, or line endings caused the failure, and guide the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.